They're gonna be loud, obnoxious, and overall just they will not be ready for us to be heard. So I basically plugged in the network. I'm seeing something showing up. Ultimately, what I'm trying to make sure that whether we can get it or not is I want to make sure whether my cameras, CCTVs are gonna come on and work. Can't move that, so but let me plug in what I can plug in. The cable actually broke on that one. Anyways, let's see, do we get any connectivity? We must check that before we go ahead and do anything else. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a probe. I'm gonna get a cable probe, and then we're gonna test to see whether that cable is actually, and I think we do have a probe underneath here. Network tester, and then we'll see where this leads up to. I don't know which one is which. I should be labeling this, but I did not label it. Let's go probe this, figure out which port we're dealing with, and then we go from there. Is it this one? We'll find out in a bit. It is that one. So we're gonna have active internet connectivity with this one. And I'm gonna actually do something that is easier. And unplug the probe from there. So this is our network cable tester. And this is gonna allow us to test it when we test the network. If you wanna figure out which port goes which, it's like a handy tool for you to help you port, track down, and figure out whether which port it is. Because if I didn't have this one, I would be having to do a lot of back and forth. But this one made it easier for me. And now I know which port we are dealing with. Now I'm gonna see if we have a live connectivity with that port. And if we do, we'll be great. Guys, we do have internet connectivity, which is good. Now we can fire up the Nutanix. All right, so it has come the time. Where is this? Where does this come from? This is what I was afraid of. That switch is not plugged in. We must plug in every single switch, no exception. And this one we didn't plug it in because I was trying to do something clever and it didn't work. So let me plug this in here. That's the biggest thing I'm thinking we're trying to avoid is having a server that do not power or network come up because we forgot to plug them in correctly in the first place. So we know we can prevent everything, but this is supposed to be easy win. And I also don't have uplink for one of them. Not a net uplink. We did run out of uplink port for something. Let's find first of all a cable, the spare cable. We're gonna plug that in. When you are doing a lot of things at once and you keep running out of things, right? That's what we're dealing with. I'm gonna use this cable. It's longer,